Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys all of the working codes on Dress to Impress on April. So, wait, let me layer on some stuff first. Whoops. Okay. So the first one is the Ella code, which is, let me just unfavorite this, okay. Which is this skirt, and there are some toggles to it, short, long, and you can toggle on and off the like ribbons. That's the first one. And then there's the iconic, this one is still available for you to claim. MEGANPLAYSBOOTS, which are I think these shoes. Be a Place Dolly, which is this doll. Droopy is Back sweater. Which one is that? Maybe it's this one. I'm not sure. Oh, Streetwear. Sam Owen Yay, it's this one. Dior Star, this one. BELALASLAY. I don't remember which one that was. Well, it's somewhere there. And then Kitty, the black hat, obviously. KREEK, which is this hat. LANATUTU, don't remember that one as well. Maybe this one or this one, I don't remember. ITSJUSTNICHOLAS, I think it's either this or this jacket. Where's it? Hello, why can't I find it? Oh, well, it's somewhere there. Oh, here. Mermaid, which is just a mermaid outfit. Call Me Haley, the dress and hat. Which one is that? I don't remember. I'm sorry, I don't remember a lot of things. IBELLASLAY, which is the hair. This one. ASHLEYBUNNI, bunny slippers. Submissy, face and necklace. So this one, like the eyelashes I meant, like that. Which I do hope they put eyelashes in custom makeup instead, but LANA, the shorts, jumper and leg warmers. This one, these ones. LANABOW is this one. And then LANABOOTS, I think is this one. But I will put all of the working codes like in the description box down below. There's also these ones which are expired. This one is expired from the April Fool's update. This one's from the Valentine's one. This one's from the Lunar New Year's one. This one's the exclusive petal dress. New Year's is also removed. I think the crown is also removed, and I think you can still claim the rest except for this one too. I like won it from like a game, I think, on Dress to Impress, like a quest/game. But yeah, those are the working codes on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. To claim the code, select this icon and just enter the code here. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.